Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU 16th, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the recovery mode. Now to get started you will need to hold power key, and from here tap on power off. When the device shuts off you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the MEIZU logo, simply let go. And from here you should be now in the recovery mode. So as you can see, you can do limited amount of things. You can update the system or wipe data, and you can simply tap on it, whatever you want to do. And if you want to leave, you can simply tap on the cancel and restart, and this will leave the mode and go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.